Good morning students of class 12th. Today I discuss about the molecular basis of inheritance, that is chapter 6. Actually students, in earlier class I will be discuss about the what is the molecular basis of inheritance, and among them I will discuss about the some aspects of DNA. So as you know that the DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid as the name. So what is the DNA? DNA is the polymer of deoxyribonucleotide. DNA is the polymer of deoxyribonucleotide. E. Fischer is a scientist that the first time identified that the DNA contain two heterocyclic. What is the mean by heterocyclic? Heterocyclic means that is it contain the in the ring, in the chemical ring, it is contain the nitrogen, sulfur, whatever. So they are called heterocyclic compound. So these heterocyclics are the purine and pyrimidine. These heterocyclic are the purine and pyrimidine. That is pyrimidine is the two type, that is the cytosine and thiamine, and the purine is the two type, that is adenine and guanine. Another scientist, that is a P. Levene, who identify that the nucleic acid is contain the 5 carbon sugar. Later on he described that is the DNA is containing the deoxyribose sugar, that is the formula is C5H10O4. That is the DNA is said to be the molecule said to be the polynucleotide. Means polynucleotide, it is a polymer. So means polymer means it is the contain the more and more number of nucleotide. So nucleotides have the three main components, like the three main components are the nitrogenous bases, that is the A for adenine, G for guanine, T for thiamine, and C for cytosine. As you very well know that in class first year also I will be taught you. The second is 5 carbon sugar, that is the deoxyribose sugar, and another acid is present, that is known as phosphoric acid. This is the three main component that is present in the nucleotide. As you see this the diagram of the adenine, thiamine, guanine and cytosine. So this is the these two type are the adenine and guanine are the what, purine, and these two are the pyrimidine. Pyrimidine are the 6-member ring, and the pyrimidine are 6-member ring. Here the 6-member, and the purine are the 9-member ring, 6 and 3 member here. So it is the 6 and 9-member ring. Students, as you know that is I told you that is the DNA is the contain the it is the deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a nucleotide. So in the DNA the three components are present. That is the first I discuss about the nitrogenous base, that is the 4 type, that is the adenine, guanine, cytosine, thiamine, that is the purine and pyrimidine. Here that is the sugar is present, that is the C5H10O4. This is the diagram of deoxyribose sugar. And third component present in the DNA is the phosphoric acid. This is the phosphoric acid. During the nucleotide formation, the first step is the formation of nucleoside. The nucleoside is what? There is a 5 carbon sugar. When the 5 carbon sugar and nitrogenous base, either the adenine, thiamine, guanine, cytosine, any one of these form combine with each other with the releasing of the H2O, they form the structure that is known as nucleoside. And in the formation of nucleotide, what happened when the nucleoside is combined with the H3PO4, that means the phosphoric acid, with release of the H2O, it form the nucleotide. You see here, this is the 5 carbon sugar, this is the nitrogenous base, this bond is known as glycosidic linkage. This structure is formed nucleoside, and if here we added the if we added here H3PO4, we found the nucleotide. Thank you.